How to use Aluma-Coat TW. TW converts soft surfaces to corrosion and abrasion resistant. It is a two-part epoxy-based coating compound comprising of 80% sintered sapphire hard, aluminum oxide, ceramic microbeads, doped in resin, designed to protect surfaces against corrosion, abrasion, chemical attack, and moderate impact, and also withstand up to 150 degrees Celsius or 302 degrees Fahrenheit. Brought to you by Jyoti Ceramic Industries Private Limited. The product can be applied on any surface, such as ferrous, non-ferrous metals, stone, concrete, wood, plastics, etc. Aluma-Coat TW is used in diverse industries where corrosion, abrasion, cavitation, and chemical attack are chronic problem. Keep all the required materials organized in one place before beginning the work. Precautions before use. Clean the operation area. Wear safety equipment such as mask, goggles, and hand gloves. Ensure operation area is well ventilated. Surface preparation. Roughen the surface with an 80 grit sandpaper, or a wire brush or an angle grinder or sand blasting machine. Clean the surface with a brush and vacuum cleaner. Remove any grease or oil from the surface by using TCE, trichloroethylene solvent. Product preparation. Remove the two components from the pack. Mix them thoroughly in the given ratio in a clean container using a spatula. Use xylene or acetone to thin it to desired consistency. Application. Using a trowel, set metal sheet flat on a surface. Spread the mixture evenly on the metal or wooden surface by trowel tool. If thickness of the coating is to be increased, a second coat can be applied after 4 to 5 hours. Allow the surface to dry for about 24 hours before use. Max strength is attained after 72 hours of applications. Consume the mixture within 30 minutes after mixing. Aluma-Coat TW. Brought to you by Jyoti Ceramic Industries Private Limited.